Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll change the background color of a page or section in Squarespace. Background colors can add contrast or create a visual theme. So let's dive in. The first step is to navigate to the page editor. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and going to the page you want to edit. And to do this, look for Squarespace in Google or any search engine. Click on it. Once the website appears, make sure you enter using your account credentials right here and click on Account Dashboard. You'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now, select the page you want to edit. I'm gonna select this one here, this website. Once you're on the page, click Edit to open the editor here. And the editor is open. Now for the second step is to select a section to change the background. Hover over the section you want to update and click on the edit section button that appears here next to the pen icon. In the settings panel that opens, click on the colors or background option depending on your Squarespace version. You can click here, add a background using an image. You can select upload a file or select from library or browse stock images. I'll click on browse stock images and I'm gonna use this one for example, and it's being uploaded. You can even change colors here. Now the third step is to choose a color or image background. Squarespace offers preset colors themes, but you can also customize colors by selecting custom or choosing a background image. Right here, you can select between these options right here. You can experiment with different shades and watch how they look across desktop and mobile. And to do that, just go to the top right corner here and you can navigate between desktop view and mobile view. Here you got the mobile view here and then you got the desktop view. And there you have it. With these quick steps, you can give your site a fresh look. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.